this is Ace Attorney, and I'm going to make a let's play of Terraria Android, and it's just until the game is done, but they say that it will never be over, but that's cool. And actually I already have a player here and there. Cell 235, Dams 345, Jack Jr. Dams 345 and Jack Jr. isn't really mine, but this Cell 235 is mine. And first word is it isn't mine. Okay world. Okay world. Where's this come from? Okay world. Oh, but okay. I'm going to delete this Jack Jr. and create new character. And I am Ace Attorney. I hope you will like my videos because the volume is so high. And I hope you will like my videos cause I really like to be a good YouTuber and a game, but and first game that this Terraria game is, I really love this game. So first, the part 1 introduction, and what it, and I am a male, of course, but I don't like the female. Oh, see that boobs? Oh my gosh! But male, it's so cool, dude. Oh wow! And this is making character introduction, but I'm going to make one because I'm going to make a character because the time is running. Of course, it's running. Okay. And I guess the game's volume is too high, and okay, so and that's why and okay. And the hair type that I want is this mohawk. Joke. This MOO. And actually, I have my best friend here beside me. He's playing Vanguard or whatever, but we really love this game so much. And this is not a Vanguard. Let's play this. Okay, so my eye color is blue because I like blue, black, yes, black, there, black, and shirt color red because I'm wearing red now and my favorite color is red, and the undershirt color is black. I'm really sure it's black, and pants color is green because I'm wearing a PE, so just green and black. Okay, let's create our character and enter name Ace. Selma. But Selmar is my real name, Selmar. But for the sake for in this playthrough, we will name Ace Attorney. You know the Phoenix Wright games? I really love those games. And okay world, I guess I will delete this. Are you okay world? Oh, but I don't really like this, so total world. Delete this. Oh, there, create world. Oh yeah, create the world. Okay, and enter world name. But oh no, no worry. And our let's play. Let's play. The second, it's generating, and when it's done, I guess our part 1 is done too, because for this part 1 we're just an introduction and a character creating new character, and that's it. And as you can see, I have a few save files, and some items there is I'm going to give to this character, so it will be easy for us. And please like this video if you like it, and subscribe if you love my videos. And thank you guys, love you all, and goodbye. Kanang tanong dula ka.